Hi there, this is Gabriela. Let's talk today about how to embed videos in our Money Robot campaigns. That's really simple. I talked in another um, video how to rank your videos. Okay, that sounds strange, but that's the way. Okay, we talk about a lot of YouTube videos. Okay, and if we go here and let's click on a new campaign, we know already if we click on here in this area and gray area, and then you're going to see several new features. Okay, on this part you can add the video URL for YouTube before and after, or your image, of course. But the big question is how to do it with my video from Vimeo. Really simple. It's different, a little different, but it's really simple. We go to our Vimeo account and then go in this area. You see the embed, copy the code. We go here, click on here. After, be careful. Let's do it after create the article. You can put it in front, in the middle, or at the end of your article. If we go and click on preview, we'll see our video. Simple, like that. This is because doesn't matter if we put some keywords or not, we still have generic keywords, okay? And we have one link. We can also put no link, and if you do this, you have nothing. Okay, but that's not definitely the idea. Remember, the best practice to ranking your videos, doesn't matter if are from Vimeo or from YouTube, is put it on here on the money site URL, add it on here, from here or from here, and then add that video also in the video tab. A lot of people ask me why those if I put there the views are not making numbers, and or in some point they subtract those numbers from the views. If it goes simple, remember one thing: you need to keep creating campaigns to that video. You cannot put it on this tab, okay, and have it in without campaigns. That's not definitely the best way to do it. Okay, remember, create campaigns, keep creating campaigns, keep sending campaigns to those videos, and then put it also on here. I hope this gonna help you guys. If you have any question, please put it on the comment area and let me know. Okay, thank you until the next video.